How to fix Facebook login error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Facebook login error. So sometimes when you try to log into your Facebook account, you simply cannot log in and it will keep saying login error and error has occurred and so on. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix those errors. So the first thing you want to do is check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. If you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and then try logging into your Facebook account. But if your error is still there, what you can do is go to your app store and then search Facebook. Now mine currently says open as my app is currently up to date, but if your app says update, it means that your app is not up to date and you need to update the app. So the error might be occurring as your app is not up to date. So try updating your app and then re-logging into your account. But if you are still not able to log in, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to general. Now go to iPhone storage. And now locate Facebook. Now it will provide you basically two options, namely offload app and then delete app. So first of all, try offloading the app. Now what offloading app will do is it will delete the app but it will keep its data. So try offloading the app, and now once you've offloaded the app, simply reinstall your app. Now once your app is reinstalled, try logging into your account, but if you are still not able to log into your account, what you can do as a final resort is simply reinstall the app and then restart your phone as well. So by doing all of this process, you'll surely be able to log into your Facebook account and then fix the error. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.